All right. So good evening and again, congratulations. And we would like to, syempre, express our deepest gratitude to our newest silver director, coaches Myla, Awing, and Avic. And alam nyo, super proud kami sa inyo. And yung mga ganitong opportunity na nabibigyan kayo ng time to really share, it's something that's so refreshing, because most of the time, when we're here at Courage Night, ang napapakinggan natin ay yung mga super, malayo na. Kumbaga, parang, if you're someone, nakaka-start mo lang ng Usana, you just started your Usana business, hindi ka pa nga $50, and then ang maririnig mo syempre yung mga gold, ruby, diamonds, and star diamond, parang at the back of your mind, something like it's so far-fetched. But when you can hear yung katulad yung story ni na Coaches Myla, Avic, and Aving, it's something na very, alam mo yung proximity, na parang ang lapit lang and kaya pala kaya kung nakaya nila, kaya din namin. And yung mga ganyang like yung mga best practices nila, and syempre yung sharing of experiences nila, ang laking bagay niyan kasi most of the time when we invite speakers that are like higher rank, hindi na na-itemize talaga yung mga pagdadrive pa, yung mga pagtawid ng bundok, yung mga ganyan. So, kumbaga, ano na lang story, konting background, tapos syempre lesson. Pero yung from the time na nag-start, dun sa nakuha yung first goal niya na pagiging gold, yung in between nun, yung mga experiences, lalo na nung yung nag-start pa lang siyang matuto, yun kasi yung very important para sa mga bago. 'Di ba? Para at least alam natin, ito pala yung mga kailangan nating mga ginagawa, okay? Para ma-achieve din natin yung goals natin. So again, thank you po and congratulations. So bear with me kasi kakadating ko lang po dito sa aming isla. Parang mahihiwalay na yung aking kaluluwa sa katawan lupa ko. After namin mag-goal set ng 4:30 a.m. ni na Coach JP. So, ayan, tawid naman ng isla. So, but anyway, sabi nga if you love what you do, feeling mo, you're never working, ever. So I don't feel really working at all kasi this is something na, alam mo, it's all part of our system. And syempre yung desire mo rin, syempre to help a lot of people. And syempre yung brand partners mo. Anyway, ano ko lang po, kwento ko lang kasi I've been to India. Kakabalik ko lang din po nung isang araw. Um, and I went there, hindi po siya free travel incentive, free travel siya. Hindi po siya free travel hindi po siya free travel lang isa na ano po siya, expenses, personal travel ko siya kasi I really want to go and see Taj Mahal. Yan, ano ko talaga yan, nasa bucket list ko siya. And feeling ko naman, dahil sa iyo sana, puro luxury travel, hindi naman nila tayo itatravel sa India ever. So anyway, start ko nga, i-go through ko na to. So, and ang maganda kasi niyan, since Yusani India will be opening, binigyan ko na rin siya na, parang timing lang. Because I want to meet the corporate, I want to see Yusana there, para pag may magtatanong sa ating mga distributor, and ready na to build there, I have something to answer because they have a very different comp plan. Hindi siya katulad ng compensation plan that we have here and other countries na existing na sa Yusana, na seamless yung compensation plan. This time, eto, naiiba siya. Okay, that's what I want to discuss tonight. Okay? So ready na ba kayo? Type 1 if you're ready. Ay, may pa type 1 if you're ready. Now, if you're not interested at all in building in India, it's okay. Pero you can stay, pwede nandito ka pa rin kasi pwedeng hindi ka interested but along the way, may mga downlines ka and they'll be asking, at least meron ka rin isasagot. Okay? Para hindi na tayo pa ulit-ulit. Okay. So ito po, I'll start my screen. I'll share with you my screen. Okay. Ay, nakita nyo to? Nag-share screen ako. Kita po?
Wala po, Mentong.
Ay, bakit wala? Ay, nag-screen recording pala ako. Sabi ko na nga, mahiwalay na yung katawang lupa ko. Sorry po. Nag-screen recording ako. Hindi pala ako nag-share screen. Ito na. Okay. Okay, ayan. So, welcome to India. Tininininning, hindi pala, Chinese pala yun. Ano nga yung, ganun ba? Ano nga music? So anyway, welcome to India. Oh my gulay po. Alam niyo po, ano ko lang to ha, konting commercial. At least, puntahan niyo po talaga tong Taj Mahal na 'to. It's something na worth it of your time, of your experience, and ay grabe, it's really amazing, the best. So nag-ano po ako, nag-eat, pray, and love sa India. Ay, hindi pala, wala palang love. Eat, pray, and explore sa India. Yan ang ginawa natin sa India. So anyway, 'di ba nakakapagpatawa pa tayo may wala. So, the India market opportunity. So, the question is why India? Okay, so because less than 1% of the current market yung nape-penetrate talaga natin diyan. And they are 1.44 billion as of the current day. Okay? And eto na, this is crazy because 550 million are middle class. In the Philippines, we are just 110. 110 and yet ang dami nating nabagong buhay, ang dami kumita ng milyon in dollars, and ang market natin is of course middle class and above. With the 110 Filipino, imagine mo, grabe yung nag-grow natin sa Philippines. We are roughly making 5 to 8 million per day sales. And here we are in India and we have 150 million middle class. So bakit? Why am I pointing this? Because middle class, they are the one who's grinding. 'Di ba sila yung naghahanap ng opportunity, ng something to augment what they're currently making. And middle class, syempre, they use their body to really earn money. So sila din yung number one customer natin in terms of our nutritionals. Okay? And this is the most exciting part. 8 million plus women-led business expected by 2028. So mabuhay po ang mga kababaihan because we all know in India they're into the tradition of fixed marriage and stuff like that. But right now yung mga babae, I mean, same in the Philippines, we are alam mo yun, we are very motivated and very alam mo yun, very goal oriented as well. And even yung mga wives, pwede nila tong gawin something that could augment what their family has currently like making. So hindi na lang pwedeng aasa sa asawa, o 'di ba? So ang ganda. Okay? And of course, direct selling industry, it's 3.5 billion. Okay, so marami pong direct selling company sa India, international and local. And again, bakit po direct selling? Because network marketing is literally illegal in India. Hindi ka pwede mag-invite that this is network marketing. It's not like here in the Philippines, pwede mong i-direct yung associate mo or I mean your prospect na yes, network marketing because we are so proud na we are doing network marketing. Pero in India, mahaba talaga siyang discussion and pag narinig pa lang nila yung network marketing, it's really a no-no. And it's something that their government do not allow. So talagang the key is direct selling. Okay? And in terms of health, of course, three times three na yung growth in terms of health awareness. And same tayo with the Philippines, yung culture natin. Ano? Imagine mo, 2002 pa, may nandata ng World Health Organization that all adults 19 years old above are prudent to take nutritional supplement. That was in 2002. But when USANA came to the Philippines in 2009, pahirapan talaga ng discussion ng supplementation. Imagine. And this thing also had same din po. Same din sa India. And people doon, mahina din ang preventive healthcare. Okay? And syempre, ang lagi nating kalaban dito is mura. Mura yung mga synthetic drugs kasi most of the drugs, synthetic drugs in the Philippines, mina-manufacture yan sa India. But again, our focus is prevention. Okay? And e-commerce is really going and this is our direct competitor in India. Okay, so ito yung pag sinabi mong high is directly impact our na competition natin sila, meaning direct selling din sila and nutritionals din yung product nila. But again, it's very easy kasi we have comparative guide. Right now, there are rivals because hindi pa tayo dumadating. But through like introduction, health awareness, and syempre yung massive natin na na marketing sa USANA using our tool, the Comparative Guide to Nutritional Supplement, madali lang po ito. Okay, tama ba? Kasi nung dumating tayo sa Philippines, yan din yung namamayagpag eh. Herbalife, Intra-Lifestyle, Ganoderma, Exelium, yan din yung namamayagpag. But nung dumating tayo dito, wala na. Imagine, pakita ko lang yung perspective, according to Euromonitor, pag tiningnan natin yung sales ng lahat ng nutritional company sa Philippines, dun sa top 10 na yan, walang direct selling company. Nasa top 10, ang nandiyan ay tayo ang number one, only direct selling company, and the rest are the regular companies na marketed to yung regular marketing. And yung nasa baba, malayo, nasa top 15 below, at doon nakahilari yung mga direct selling na competition natin, our rival. Pero ang layo, we are number one here in the Philippines. And that is the vision that we are really looking forward with India. Okay? And of course, di ko na to i-discuss, alam nyo na yan. So, nag-start na po actually ang Yusani India 2002 pa. Ay, sorry, 2 years ago. Ito na naman, humahiwalay na naman yung kaluluwa ko. So, 2 years ago pa po nag-start na ang Yusani India, but they are close para silang China market. Hindi tayo pwedeng kumonek sa kanila. Hindi katulad ng tayo, andito yung mga US market natin, andito yung Europe market natin, we can directly link to our ID number. But when it comes to China and India, separate entity lang talaga sila. Sila lang talaga ang pwede mag-sponsoran o recruitan within their country. But this coming September 30, 2006, they are changing it. They are opening the India market to everyone na may existing USANA market. It means na tayo po, pwede na po tayong mag-sponsor ng taga-India and vice versa. Okay, sila din. So pwedeng sa genealogy mo, Pilipinas, Indian, Pilipinas, Indian, Pilipinas, Indian. So pwede na po siya. Okay? Pero mag-start po na meron na tayong directly link sa hub natin sa September 30 pa. Pero pag meron na po kayong mga makausap at gusto nyo na pong i-sign up kasi hindi na po kayo makapag-intay, huwag po kayo mag-alala, may paraan. Sabihin nyo lang po sa atin, pwede po nating itawag sa customer service sa Yusana India at imamanual po nila. Wala po siya sa system sa hub natin kasi inaayos pa ng IT, pero yes, pwede na po mag-enroll manual po ng mga taga Yusana India Corporate. Okay, okay po ba yun? Okay, so, loyalty and compensation plan program. So, ang pwedeng nating gawing term sa Yusana India is direct selling, drop shipping. Di pa po nila alam yan, drop shipping, medyo mahirap paniwagan. And ang sikat po sa kanila na mas maintindihan nila to ay referral program. Okay? Referral program. Okay. Now, hindi ko na to i-discuss. Pero ang papakita ko po yung available na products right now sa Yusana India. Of course, they have a different set of products, and the good thing is they manufacture their own product. So yung products po sa India ay mina-manufacture sa India. Okay? And iba po ang point system at iba po ang pricing. Again, kung the rest of the countries po na pwede nating ilink sa ID number natin ay seamless ang compensation dahil seamless ang point system, ang India po, they have a different point system and they have a different compensation plan. Ayun. So just buy the products and the business is free, meaning wala pong BDS. Okay, literal talaga to. Itong tagline natin sa Yusana na to, totoo talaga to kasi just buy the products and the business is free kasi wala siyang BDS. Okay? And these are the products. Okay, so the products range from the basic, which is the total health, the core essentials, that is the basic health, and Biomega. Okay? Now, if you're going to ask me, mentor, bakit po ang combination ng total health product nila ay core essentials at saka Biomega kasi they have a different law when it comes to parang FDA India. So meron pong certain lang na micronutrients na pwedeng ilagay, include, and yan po, isang botelya lang po sila talaga. Okay? So, hindi ko na po ipaproduct training yan. Next time po, pwede. Okay. So, they also have for the sa bone and joint health, they have Magnical D and Procosa. They have Estro Pro for premenopausal. They have the Copa Prime for the brain. They have Coquinone and Proflavanol for cardiovascular system. And for our digestive system, we have Hepacil and Fiber G. And ang galing po talaga ng USANA because when USANA started in the Philippines, wala pa tayong Hepacil and and Fiber G. But in India, that is their priority. As we all know, India is the second top notcher when it comes to diabetes, and they have really huge problem when it comes to metabolic health. If you're familiar with the thin extremities, fat belly syndrome of Indian men, that their fat deposits are always localized in the belly area, and that's their greatest problem because nung nandun ako, 3 araw pa lang 2.5 kilos na nag-gain ko because well, I love the food. They are so vegetarian. Majority of them are vegetarian, where the food are very starchy. Okay, so it's not something that we can help. No, ang galing lang kasi yung Usana, yung mga products na nandito ngayon, these are the products na kailangan ng current health crisis na meron sa India. So again, tayo po, when we penetrate the market, so even here, yung mga binibili natin products sa Philippines, hindi po yan basta ng kahit galing niya sa States, inaral pa po yan ng Usana, kung anong lifestyle, anong food natin dito, ano ang klase po ng diet natin, at yun po ang sinusupplement, yung kulang at yung kaya nating solusyonan when it comes to sa health. So sa India po, yan po yung mga kailangan. And of course, they also have something for the skincare pero postbiotic skincare. Okay? So, ito po yung Fiber G. Ayan. And meron silang Nutrimin. Okay? So kung mapapansin mo, iba ang point system nila. Para makastart po ng business, all they have to do is to purchase 35 points. Oh, ayan na. 35 points lang po.
Grabe, 35 points.
Okay, so pwedeng ito po yung mga 20 points. Biomega, Procosa, 15 points po yung Copa Prime, Hepacil, Essentials. So kung 35 points, isang Biomega, isang Core Essentials. O, pasok na yon. Okay, but wait, there's more. 3 sa center na po yun. O, diba? 35 points, 3 sa center. But wait, there's more. Yung auto-order po nila or yung subscribe and save na sinasabi natin para ma-maintain nila yung mga point system para sa mga gusto magnegosyo ay 35 points lang din po in all business center. So meaning, day 1 pa lang, nag-35 points na sila, 3 business center, pwede na nilang i-open lahat ng business center nila kasi wala naman silang idadagdag na points when it comes to subscribe and save. 35 points, kahit pa 100 business center na sila doon. Okay? Ayan. So, and then may mga promo pack po tayo. Okay? So, pag yung mga promo pack, kasi meron din sila syempre mga promo every month. So, ayun po, pwede nating i-discuss na lang pag meron po kayong client na. So again, dahil sila ay yes, Mentor Dennis?
Mentor, Mats, yung package nila doon, Essentials Biomega, yung sa 35 points nila sa one business center.
Pag product of your choice, mamimili ka basta bumuo ka ng 35 points.
Pero karamihan doon, Mentor, ano yung pinaka nila? Biomega tsaka Essentials, parang ganon?
Ay, hindi, depende. Kung gusto mo depende sa kailangan. For example, problem nila ay digestive. So, isang Core Essentials, isang Hepacil, isang Fiber G, 14 points. So, meron kang 45 points. May promo sila. If you purchase 105 points, active ka na ng 3 months.
3 months, okay.
Pero kasi ganun din yun. 105 divide 3, 35 points each month din. Ganun din. Nakalibre ka lang ng shipping. Ganun din, di ba? So meron din silang mga packages na pag halimbawa, combination, Biomega, Essentials Proplabanol, mas mura siya, pero mas maliit ang points, 40 points. Pero for the meantime, kung individual, magpa-product of choice ka, ito po yung ating pricing. Makikita mo dyan yung rupee. Yan o, yung ating Core Essentials, 2,149 rupee, 15 points. Yung Biomega, 2,447 rupee, 20 points. Okay? Clear? So anyway, send ko na lang po ito sa director natin na GC. Now, since sila ay magiging part of the global seamless compensation plan at ma-attach siya sa ating ID number, so ito po yung mga countries na pwedeng nilang marketan. So, yung someone from India, pwede po sila mag-market sa mga countries na to. So, pwedeng sila ang mag-recruit ng Pilipino. Kaya utang na loob po, Core Edge, baka naman po yung mga Indian pa ang pumunta sa Pilipinas at mag-recruit ng mga Pilipino. Okay? Hatawin naman natin to. Baka naman, alam mo, sa sobrang dami nila, magulat ka na lang, yung kakilala mo, napapiin na ng Indian. Eh, ikaw nandyan lang, hindi mo pa kausapin. At kilala niyo po sila. Pag sinabi pong makareer, maabilidad, at matiisin, ay, malupit po yung mga yan. Kita nyo naman po, yung mga I mean, kidding aside, but this is true, yung mga nagpa 5-6, di ba? Yung mga nakamotor, everyday pupuntahan ka niyan sa bahay para lang mangolekta ng 20 pesos. Araw-araw, early in the morning. Imagine, so ganyan po yan mga yan kasisipag. Kaya, Core Edge, ubusin nyo na muna yung kakilala nyo bago kayo mag-India, tas vice versa. Okay, seamless naman yung compensation plan. So ito po yung difference. Yung difference natin when it comes to base commission, wala silang pay setter pala. They don't have to run for pay setter. Okay, basta activation, sponsor na, and that's it. So, ang base commission nila is, same pa din, every product may points may dollars, but of course, the point system is different. So, ang maximum lang na pwede nilang mag-gather na points per virtual account is up to 3,000 points left and right. That's the maximum. Okay? Hanggang 3K lang po sila. Okay? Pero ikaw na nasa Philippines, yung business center mo, syempre 5K yun. Pero sila po na nasa India, their virtual account, their ID number, up to 3,000 lang left and right yung makukuha. So every business center nila can get up to $600 or 50,000 rupee per week per business center. So kung may tao lahat, yung business center nila, so they can get as much as 150,000 rupee per week. Okay? And alam niyo po, ang 50,000 rupees sa kanila ay napakalaking bagay. Why? Kasi mababa po ang cost of living doon at napakamura po ng basic commodity, unlike here in the Philippines. Kaya pag kumita ka ng $600 doon, marami kang mabibili. Okay? So basically, yan lang po ang difference. Naka-hedging sila ng 80 rupee. And then may travel incentive din sila. Ang travel incentive po nila, growth travel, January to December, El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. So again, pupunta nga po sila dito. Okay? And, ayan, ito po yung kailangan ng information. Name, address, cellphone number, Aadhaar card. It's an identity card ng Indian. PAN card is like your TIN number. And then, pwedeng to follow yung cancel check. Dito isi-send yung commission nila. Okay? So basically, yan lang po yung about sa India. It's very easy, very straightforward. Ang difference lang is of course the point system, the yung may na-manufacture dun yung product, and syempre yung base commission na 3K left and right. And of course, 35 points lang ang sign up at ang auto order or subscribe and save. Okay? So, do you have any question? Okay, so if you don't have any question, I'll give back the floor to our very pretty Coach Trish Roque.